75 years, the plants of the Ingersoll Products Division and the Ingersoll Kalamazoo Division of Borg Warner have been manufacturing scores of useful products for markets in all corners of the globe. Like these high-quality steel discs for farm equipment, which Ingersoll Products Division supplies to virtually every major manufacturer of farm implements in the United States and Canada. At this moment, tens of thousands of Ingersoll's farm implement discs are at work around the earth, preparing fields for seed, drilling grain and wheat, planting corn and cotton and soybeans, and cultivating the young crops that will provide tomorrow's food and fiber. Here at home, other varieties of the Ingersoll disc serve the highway construction industry, helping meet the constant demand for better roads and faster highway transport, helping expand the intricate webs of concrete and asphalt which draw our cities and people together. Wherever timberlands give way to new development, from the forests of northern Canada to the jungles of Africa, there you may find Ingersoll discs at work, behind giant dozers, breaking up roots and turning brush back into the soil, preparing the way for new roads, new fuel and power communication lines, new communities, and new civilization. This could be a farm in Louisiana or in Cuba or the Virgin Islands, for Ingersoll discs are used in all these places. But this happens to be a sugarcane plantation in the British West Indies, where Ingersoll discs are plowing under cane stubble left over from last year's harvest. Working in Sisal in British East Africa, Ingersoll discs display the rugged dependability that has established them as essential components of fine farm equipment since 1884. Today, marking 3/4 of a century of service in engineering and production, the Ingersoll Kalamazoo division of Borg Warner proudly presents the Lark, its latest amphibious vehicle for our armed forces. The function of this vehicle is to transfer cargo from shipside through the surf zone, unload inland, then return to the ship to repeat the operation. U.S. Army officials have termed the Lark an outstanding achievement. Development of the Lark is the result of 17 years of Ingersoll experience in the field of amphibious vehicles and close cooperation between our armed forces and the Ingersoll Kalamazoo Division. This teamwork between military and industrial personnel began in 1941. Its goals: to perfect land and seagoing craft which could keep pace with the changing demands of modern warfare. The new Lark is evidence of the success of this joint effort. For veterans of World War II and Korean campaigns, the LVT Beach Busters will recall vivid memories of South Pacific landings such as Saipan and Okinawa. Newer, faster models of the early tracked amphibians are under continuing development in a program which has already produced such vehicles as the LVT P5, an improved 40-ton cargo and personnel carrier with outstanding surfing ability. The LVT H6 with its 105mm dual-purpose howitzer turret, a vehicle for clearing roads and fields of mines. All members of the Ingersoll family of products, in use and on the alert in all parts of the globe. Useful products for agriculture, the home, and heavy industry. Necessary products for the defense of our country. All developed, engineered, and tested on a long-range program to supply the most modern design. The results of punishing tests like this on a sub-zero Arctic course may well result in a strengthening of our important northern lines of defense. For still another defense weapon, the Nike Hercules, Ingersoll provides boosters, sustainers, engine caps, and nozzles. And as our defense and influence reach beyond the Earth's atmosphere, the Ingersoll Division and Borg Warner look to the future, seeking new ways to supply useful tools, not only for man on this Earth, but for man as he explores new worlds out there in space.